In case you didn't know, my name's Finley and I run an AI automation agency, and me and my team over the years have built thousands of AI agents. And out of all of the agents that we've built, I have compiled 100 of the best sales agents into one single Notion doc. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you some of these AI agents. I'm going to be testing my personal favorite, and then I'm going to be giving you access to all of these AI agents and showing you how you can set them up in your own Relevance AI environment. You're going to be able to use these agents with a UI like ChatGPT, and you're also going to be able to call them via API to use them inside of workflows. So before I go and actually show you some of these agents in action and tell you how you can get access, let's go ahead and have a quick scan at some of the categories of AI agents, because there's a lot in here. So in this package, you're getting 8 bundles of AI agents. They all add up to 100, and then we also have a bonus section down here at the bottom with a few more extra bits of value in it. We've got 100 prompts that you can actually use on some of these agents. We've got a full guide on how to build an AI cold outreach system, loads of stuff in there to help you get more leads as well. Anyway, the first section, and one of the longest one, is prospecting agents. So we've got a total of 18 AI agents in here, and all these agents are going to help you find good potential customers and clients and also qualify them. So everything to do with prospecting, generating leads, finding them and preparing to reach out to them, these agents will for sure help. So next up, we have the offer optimization agents. There's a lot of AI agents in here, and these are going to be super helpful for getting your offer in a good position where it almost sells itself, right? A lot of these agents have very, very fine and narrow use cases, and they just do them specifically very well. So I would recommend getting as many of these in as possible and running your offer through all of them before going ahead and doing outreach. And all of the offer optimization agents go hand in hand with our next bunch, which is the outreach agents. If you're going to do outreach, you're going to need to have a good offer where it almost sells itself in the cold DM or the cold email or the cold call, whatever it is that you're doing. If you have a bad offer and you're trying to do outreach, it's going to be terrible for you. I've been there, and trust me, it's not going to be fun. These agents are going to help you with everything to do with outreach, with voice messages, with follow-ups, with LinkedIn DMs, with emails, with cold calling, with everything. And you're beginning to see how all of these tie together, right? Because now we're moving on to the enrichment agents, and whenever you begin to tie in cold outreach agents as well as offer agents, and you're enriching the leads that you're pushing this optimized offer to, then you're going to see some really high conversions because you're able to add a layer of personalization. We've got everything in here. We've got lead research agents, we've got email verification agents. The whole heap is in here for you to find out as much information about the leads as you need to. These are by far my favorite bunch of agents because they are so good at what it is that they do, and I sort of measure how good an agent is by how sort of far away from ChatGPT it is, how much better than ChatGPT it is, and these ones by far outmatch ChatGPT in finding information about leads. Next up, we've got sales pipeline and sales funnel agents. All of these agents essentially help you actually build your funnel, and all of these leads will essentially help you qualify leads and scrape leads from the actual agent itself. Last here, we've got automation agents, which can basically happen without a human prompt. So you can basically put them on a trigger and just wait for them to run. And the lead nurture agents are just essentially helping pushing leads further down the pipeline, continuing to keep them warm, provide extra value, and provide extra communication touch points. I've got a few extra bits of value in here for the bonus. We've got 100 prompts, we've got a sales assistant, we've got us building a lead magnet live, an AI appointment setter, 40 AI outreach message templates, plus an agent, 50 high converting cold outreach templates, and as well a full guide on how to build an AI cold outreach engine. I don't know why I didn't say that one first, but the point is a lot of value in there. Now I'm going to show you my personal favorite AI agent out of all of these that has helped my agency, one, make the most money, close the most deals, and also help our clients the most. And that is none other than the lead research agent. We use this agent literally every day. It's in pretty much all of our client builds. If any lead books in, automatically gets ran through this agent. It is so incredibly good. Let me show you. I'm just going to say research Finley topping. No URLs, no LinkedIn URL, no Twitter URL, no nothing, literally just my name. And there's probably a lot of Finley toppings in the world, so let's see what it's able to do. Hit go. Now it does take quite a while. I ran this about an hour ago and it took like 10 minutes, so I'll come back whenever it's done and it's finished its report. Now while that's running, I'm going to show you how you can get access to all of these AI agents. It is very, very simple. You just want to head to the description after this video, click on the link that says free templates in here or something like that, and it'll take you to this page. And once you're here, you just want to follow the steps on the form and you will get access to our full AI Learning Center. I'll show you what that looks like now. This is what you will see whenever you first load in. We've got loads of stuff here. I've got some YouTube videos and we've got all of this juicy value that you can just sink your teeth into and just crack on, work away at absolutely everything. And this is where all the value is. Let me give you a little quick hidden gem before I show you the 100 agents. In here is a full AI lead gen tutorial. I made a 40-minute video walkthrough explaining how our agency generates leads for other companies, Fortune 500 companies, and of course ourselves. And there's a full breakdown in there with a 40-minute guide. You can go and sink your teeth into that as well. Anyway, there were 100 AI agents. You just want to come to AI teams, I believe. Scroll all the way down and hit load more. And then you'll see it here, 100 AI sales agents. Actually, to save you guys the hassle, if you just come to AI teams, it's the first one at the top. I've moved it for you, so it'll make it nice and easy. Come to AI teams and then just press here. And then inside all of these pages are the setup instructions. So I'll click this one, for example. Getting started, we're of course building this on Relevance AI, and then I'm going to show you how you can set all of this up, so do not worry. But that's how you get to the main bulk of it, where we've got the core prompt, input, output, and then all of the agent tools. So we can see for the last 5 minutes, this agent has been working tirelessly. It has been using all of its tools very, very thoroughly. Okay, so the lead research agent has got back to me, and honestly, I don't even want to scroll down because it's found out so much information. It's honestly a little bit creepy. So warning, this agent is going to find out so much information about anyone that you put in, provided they have somewhat of a digital footprint. But you can see here, and that was just from my name. You see, I can't scroll up any further. So yeah, from just my name, it's able to find out, all of this information, and it goes down a lot further. Anyway, very quickly before we end, let me show you how you can set these up. So you're in the 100 AI sales agent section. You want to just come to an agent that you want to import. Anyway, the first thing that you want to do whenever you're in the agent is just grab the entire prompt. So I'm going to grab the core prompt and just copy that. And if you haven't already, you want to sign up and create an account. Obviously, I have one, so I'm just going to hit login. Once you've created an account, you're going to see something like this, probably minus a load of messy AI agents, and then you're going to want to just press new AI agent or new agent, and then come to default. Come in here and just fire in the prompt in there, and you'll see all of this stuff fly up. Just do not worry about anything yet, I'll explain everything. Give it a quick name. Then you want to head over to the tools section, and you want to go ahead and add in all of these tools. Now, quick note, you don't have to add in all of them. Most of these agents work with just a handful of them. So if you have any issues with setting up some of the tools, unless it's super important, you don't have to actually use it. Just make sure the main agent tools are in there. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to copy the name of the tool, and you're going to want to head back to Relevance and just press add tool, search for the tool, paste the name in, and then add the tool in. Now that you've got the tool added in, this is the good thing about Relevance. You can describe how the tool is used for your agent. So if you want to use this agent in a very specific or niche use case, that you can just instruct the agent to maybe only search for LinkedIn profiles, say in the United Kingdom or something like that. And then you just want to rinse and repeat for all of these tools, add them in. Like I was saying, if there is a tool where you don't have an account and it's not super important, it still works without it, then don't worry, just don't add it in. It's fine. We've sort of added loads of tools in here just to cover the majority. For example, if you don't use HubSpot, then that's fine. That's why we've added Pipedrive in as well. So don't worry too much. It's mainly the core ones like LinkedIn, X, search and profiles, those sort of scraping tools that are in there. Also, some tools you may have to create an account, like for example with Slack. All you want to do here is, let's say you add in a Slack tool. This is where you will be taken to. Obviously, you need to connect an account, give Relevance access to your Slack, or for like Gmail, it's the same thing here. You just want to press add account, come here and then add account, and it'll take you to an OAuth, and you can just sign in, and then it's done. Now we're very nearly finished. All we need to do is come back to the prompt in the prompt section, navigate to the workflow steps, or sometimes it's the reasoning steps or the tool steps, and we'll see all of these bold bits of text. These essentially represent tools, and we need to replace these with the tools that we have just added in. So for example, the one that we just added in was LinkedIn search profiles. I'm going to come here, I'm going to delete that, I'm going to press /, then I'm going to press tools, then I'm going to say cross data search LinkedIn profiles, and then we're going to put that in, and then boom. So it's basically saying use this tool to do this in this order, maybe using some of the information we got from the previous tools. Once you've done that for all the tools, if some aren't there, you can just delete them, it's fine. You can just rewrite the prompt. Remember, you can change these to completely your agents. They'll be on your environment, so you can alter them as you please. But yeah, that's essentially it. You just want to rinse and repeat for all of the tools, and then press save whenever you're done. And then if you want to export the agent, you can press share, come to chat UI, press publicly available, and then there's your link. You can share it with your team. You can also embed it as a widget, and also make.com as a built-in relevance AI app, so it's very easy to call the API. Also, they've got loads of API documentation if you need to do it from like N8M, for example. All these agents are very easy to add in. They are very, very useful. If you have any issues with setting up these agents, please do let me know in the comments. Also, there's loads of other value in our AI Learning Center, so please enjoy some of that as well. But yes, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoy these agents, and I will see you in the next one.